How to fix TikTok features missing. Hello guys. So first thing you want to do, open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. Open the apps like this. On this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So scroll until you find TikTok, click on it and then go to the storage, and then you have to wait a few seconds. It will start computing the data number in your app. After it gets finished, now you have to do one thing, which is go to this option. It's called clear data. Click on it and then click on delete. That's it. Now go back to the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, go to the Wi-Fi, disable it and enable it again, and then open the Play Store, search for TikTok and update it. And you can do the same thing on iPhone. Don't forget to like, subscribe.